Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to make this amazing auto typing effect in Gdevelop. Gdevelop is a free software you can download for free. I say free twice. This effect is used in games like Undertale, Zelda. I think almost every RPG game uses this auto typing effect. And so today I'm going to show you how to do this. It takes about 10 minutes, maybe less. There is already a completed project you can download. It's down below. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and download the file. It's on the link down below. All right, so let me just run this example here.
And you notice that this is a regular platform object, and if you don't know how to do that, you simply double click on this and you go to behaviors and you add a platformer behavior. Pretty straightforward. This is just a regular static pixel art king.
There's nothing special about this. It's just a floor with a platform behavior. And I got this collision object here, which is literally just nothing, just a block. Okay. And this other object here is also just a picture. This one here, I made it a platform object, so you will stop. Okay, so like if you put it here and you try to walk, you can't walk because you can't. That's the whole purpose of platform objects. And that's so you can't get too close to the king. Okay.
So we want to make this invisible. This E. This is just a text object, which you can add here. You know, text object. Okay. Let's go to the events, and let's add a new event. Let me add a start of scene event. Start of scene. Excuse the sounds of my mouse. And I guess we can hide the E. Hide it. Okay. Okay, walk up to the king and you can no longer see the E. Okay. I also want to hide these two objects here. So let me hide the collision object. And I'm also going to, let me just copy and paste that there and literally just select the purple object, so you can no longer see that. So now it's just our character and the king and the two pixel art soldiers in the back.
All right. So if we collide with the green block. What is collision? Collision? Where is collision? Right here. If we collide with the collision green block something, which is just a picture, then we want to display our E object. Okay.
E usually, I guess. There we go. Now, if we walk away, we want to not show it, so let me just copy that, and you can inverse this condition and hide the object. Hide it.
Okay, that is good. There we go. Walk away, disappears. So now we want to show some text when we press E.
Okay, let me just add some text first. There is a text box here. Let me just lock the background there. And here is our text box. Okay.
Right click on the scene and let me add
a scene variable. I'm gonna call this HH just because we can make the variable type a number. So here, if that number is set to 0, let's say 1 probably. But no scene variables here.
If our scene variable is set to 1, we can display text. Let's have text object. Show some cheesy text here, something like dragon lore something. Dragon Lord has taken over the town.
Or something like that. And let's see that. Actually, nothing happens now because we haven't done anything, so nothing's gonna happen, obviously. So if you press a key, say for example you press E, we can add one to the counter. Okay, go to scene variable, and where's the numbers? Number variable HH plus 1. Okay, and now you can press the E button and your text will show up. Now this here should only work if you're overlapping this object. So let me just copy that and paste it here. Oops, paste it. Okay.
So now I can press all I want here and it's not gonna work. So
unless that I get close.
We also want to disappear the E when that happens.
So if our variable is greater than 0, number variable, if HH is greater than 0, then we can hide the E again. Paste it. There we go, press E, and now it shows up.
Now we want this to do auto typing. So to do that, you simply go to the object and add that behavior. Actually, literally, there is a thingy called auto typing. How to type it. There we go. And press, walk up to the king. Press, and there's our auto typing. Let me add a sound effect to that. If the text is showing up, we want to play a sound effect. Let me add a sound effect here. Actually, we want to play it on the channel.
Play sound effect on the channel, and you can see that I already have a sound effect here called type 3 something. Actually, I want to use the wave one because that works better. Channel 0. Press OK. Oh, I heard the typing sound.
Sound cute, but I think we should speed up the sound here. Speed up by 6.
Press E.
All right, that's a little too fast. Let me slow that down.
Behaviors, maybe make it 0.2. It actually made it faster. Alright, let me see. Set this to say 4 or something, the speed. And this here maybe like 0.4 or something.
Okay, that's more reasonable, I think. So now we want a second paragraph. Okay, so to do that, you simply need to copy the variable thing and make it a 2.
Now 2, it will display a different message. It will say something like
It said that there is a hidden entrance behind his castle. Okay, see if that works. Now we press key again, and nothing happened. Let me unlock the background there. Okay. Now this number here is going to display our variable. Okay. So let's go to this again. Yeah, event, and we want
this text to display our variable.
It's gonna be HH. Okay. Walk up to the king. That just went up to 10 that time. Let me just show you that again. Okay, that's from me pressing it only once. Okay, so I guess that's 6 milliseconds. So you can stop that by simply adding a run this only once. Okay, trigger only once. Walk up to the king again. Press 2. A second paragraph. If you had a third paragraph, let me just add it now just because we can. Good luck in your quest. I just want to show you that if you wanted to keep adding more to your dialogue, you can. Oh, third one is not showing. What's going on? Did I just miss that? Okay, let me just have a look. Okay, welcome to the king. Press E. Wait a second. Actually, we're supposed to change this to 3. Try this again. Press E. Paragraph 1.
Paragraph 2. And if you press other numbers, nothing happens. Okay. New event. If that variable is greater than... Actually, let me just copy it and paste it here. Modify this to...
Greater than... I don't know. 3. Greater than 3. We want to set the variable back to 0. Change
HH back to 0. Okay. Try this again. Press E. Okay. 2. 3. And now 0. Now 0 should delete this here. So let me make one for 0. 0. And literally just delete the text. Just leave the quotations, I guess. Okay. Press E.
Okay, so 0. I hear a little chip sound. Okay, slowly eliminate all the bugs.
Now for the sound effect, where's my sound effect? So the sound effect should only play if
Copy this here. Sound effect should only play if it's greater than 0.
Okay. Try this again. Paragraph 1, 2,
and 3. Now 0. Oh, I heard that again. Okay, wait a second. What is this here? This is here twice. Delete that there. Okay, I pasted down the wrong one. That's why. Okay. It's supposed to be greater than 0. Okay, try this again.
Very easy to make mistakes. 1, 2, 3, and now 0. And no sound effect.
Now, obviously, this is not gonna be here, so we don't need that anymore. Inside the screen, we can put that outside. Now, let me show you another problem. But actually, before this, let me add some music. Beginning, we want to play music, RPG vibe.
Wait a second. I put that on channel 2 actually. Try this again. Okay, said that music is pretty loud. Let me set that to 20. See, bring back the variable thing because I want to show you something. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Okay, press E again. So what if you wanted to skip this? See? Okay, so we want to be able to avoid that. To avoid that, maybe we can insert another variable. Okay, let me add
Another variable here. Call this one BB, and we can make this one a Boolean expression. Set it to false to begin with, and as a new condition here. If our text is finished typing, we can
set our Boolean expression to false, and let me just copy and paste that, and we can invert this and set it to true. And under the button here, we can make that work only if that expression is set to false. Okay, BB equals false, and that should work according to my calculations. Okay, press E. Actually, I'm gonna press E a bunch of times. You can see that now we have to wait for the text to finish. Again. Oh my god, that music is so loud. Let me turn that down to 3 or something. Okay. Now, let me show you another problem. Okay. Press E. You can literally just walk away from that. Let me show you how to fix that. Let me just copy this here, add a new event, paste that there. So if our HH variable is greater than 0, we can literally just disable the controller. Ignore default controllers. Yes. And when the counter is back to 0, so click on this, equals 0, then we can restore the controllers. 0 out of the way. Oops, not that. Let me add the music back again. Set this to 15, something reasonable. Okay. Alright, so this should work now. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to move. You can't move anymore. Okay, so there you go. So I think we're done here.
If we can hide this variable at the beginning, I'm sure we can hide that at the start of the game. And let's try this one last time.
Like I said, you can download the finished project down below if you want to support this channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye now.
Bye now.